Good morning, children. Today we will start our next unit, database concept. This chapter will be continuing you in 12th class also. So you have to know this chapter very well. Okay. So what do you mean by database? We always listen सुनते हैं कि database. What is database? Database is an organized form of data, collection of data, right? Now, let us take an example regarding the school. Okay, in school you are having teachers, students, right? So to organize the data for all the teachers or for all the students is being done through a database. Let us take an example. Suppose there is a teacher A. Okay, she is having one ID number. Suppose 1362. This is her ID number. Or we can write it as name of Anupama. Okay. Her qualification is there. Okay, her salary is there. Her number of leaves are there. Year of joining. Her date of birth is there. Address is there. Her phone number is there. Suppose if she has taken any loan amount is there. Lot of things are related to this Anupama. Okay. If I want to see the list, the details of Anupama, these all things will display. If I give only the ID number, Anupama list will be displayed, data will be displayed. Okay. When this data, in like this, you are having n number of teachers, you will be having n number of details like this. So can we arrange? Can it be easy for us to see this type of data every time? I want Anupama with her year of joining. I don't need these queries, this data. So we will learn how to do that function. So these all data is being stored in your database in an organized form. Okay. Data is being stored in an organized form is known as database. Now this database is having some rules. Database in which the data is being stored is in the form of a table. Data is being stored in the form of a table. Whatever details, suppose student details, admission number, you are having admission number, roll number, name, class and section. Okay, class and section, and you are having another column which is you are having this marks. Okay. Now data is being stored in the form of a table. Table is a combination of rows and columns. These are your rows. Okay, and these are your columns. Data is stored in an organized form in the table. Now what is table? Table is a combination of rows and columns. These are the rows. Horizontal is the rows and vertical is the column. Horizontal is the rows, vertical is your column. Okay. Combination of rows and columns is a table. And in table you are storing a data. Yes, sir. Horizontal is your rows, vertical is your columns. the information which are writing in this, suppose admission number 186, roll number what is it, roll number 11304. Okay, name, what which name you are taking, then Swara, class 11C. Okay, marks 94, right? Then 132 is the admission number 11406. Mia 11D 95 269 11809. Name Amit. Okay, 11E name 11H 11L 93. Okay, these are the headings. Okay, according to the heading we are writing the values. The information what you are writing is the data. These are your known as data. If suppose I simply give a sheet in which columns are divided and I say that you please insert the values. You write your details on this sheet. Some will write their name here. Suppose Swara will write her name, then marks here, then roll number, then admission number, then class. Another student write the roll number, this one. Mia will write here, then she will write her roll number 11406, then Mia, then 11D, then what it is left, 95. Is this the organized form or this is the organized form? This is your organized form. You can see admission number related to that admission number only, roll number के नीचे roll number है, name के नीचे name, class and section के नीचे class and section, marks के नीचे marks. Yes, in this table, is it in the organized form? No, this is simply a blank paper in which I have made the rows and columns and I have given you to write your details. It is not written that what under which way you have to write what. If suppose this is not written, then how can you say that this is your admission number? You have to write here only. You have to write the roll number here only, like this. So we have given the names of the column. According to that, you will write your names. Admission number के नीचे admission number, roll number के नीचे roll number, name के नीचे name, class and section, then marks. So this is your organized form. Now I think you have understood. Database is a collection of data in an organized form. So in an organized form means the data is stored in the form of a table. Now this table is a combination of rows and columns. In that we are inserting the data. The values what you are inserted, that is your data. Okay.